Now in annotation, first command is multi-line text, and single line, test both of them, so easy to use, OK. Next command is dimension, but first write the dim style in command line, and then press enter button. And now you can see the Dimension Style Manager dialog box. Click on Modify icon and then, in Lines tab. You can edit this parameters and check its changes on this preview figure. Here is dimension lines. OK. Extension lines. In Symbols and Arrows tab, you can change the arrowheads. Default is closed filled, OK. See its list and check it out completely, OK. Go to the Text tab, Text Appearance, Text Style, Color and Height. Or Text Placement, and Text Alignment. So important and useful options. Also check the Primary Units tab. Check it out completely and cancel and close. Back to the graphic window and now we want to start it. Click on this arrow and see the dimension types list. First is linear, used to horizontal or vertical objects. Run it and then, you can select start point and end point, do it and check the dimension, OK, so good. Or you can right-click and only select this line of rectangle and complete its dimensions, OK, it's so good. Next is aligned, run it and then you can select any point, first point and second point, similar to previous. Test it on this angled line, complete the job, and test it on other two different points in graphic window, OK. Check it out completely, and now right-click, then select this other angled line and complete its dimension. Again run it and make dimension between center point of these two circles, OK, it's so good. Again run it and make dimension between these two rectangles, complete the job and next is arc length. Run it and select this arc, check the dimension and complete the process, OK, it's so good, and next is radius and diameter, test both of them on this circles, so easy to use, OK.